Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And it's been a few days since I've done an episode. I don't know if you can see. Christmas has barfed here, so that's cool. And yeah, what do we got today? We've got the bowl version of the Jongga Kimchi Ramen. So, yeah, sounds like a plan. Noodle block. Soup base. The red powdery dust. And we've got some kimchi real. This is real kimchi. Slather that on in. Real kimchi all over the packages. It's real, not plastic. It's real kimchi. You're ready to be down with the real kimchi. If you're afraid of real kimchi, well, that's what it is. It's real kimchi. Okay? Alright? Okay? Alright. So, we're going to pour the real water up to this real... Is it a real line or is it an imaginary line? Oh, I see it. Kind of, there it is. Here we go. And it's really a line. There. Aha! 3 minutes of real kimchi steeping action for you. I'll put this over. And yeah, so been when the last time I did one? The Friday? Yeah. So last week and the week before I did 20 of them, 20 reviews. And so far this week, this is the first one, and it is Wednesday. But I've got 4 all lined up to do today, I think. Yeah. We'll see. It'll either happen or it won't. Yeah, it's already 2 o'clock, so... I'm still working on the Ramen Raider Diet Episode 2 thing. I don't know, time has been in kind of short supply lately, so... I got beefy beef, but beefy beef. Beefy. Well, tomorrow's Turkey Day. It appears that our guests have decided to not come at the last minute, so that's irritating, to be honest. And I really like my sweatpants. I really like them. They're very comfortable. They fit well. And yeah, been doing a lot of walking, of course. Getting close to the end of the month. So trying to get a... I don't think I'll beat my all-time in 1 month record of steps. That's like 856,000. That's a lot. I think I'll probably hit second place again, though. I keep hitting second place. And last month I hit second place, but there were 31 days in the month, I think, so. Yeah, pretty cool, pretty cool. And we got 50 something. Almost out of time. Time's almost up for the ramen to be done. So yeah, it's got real kimchi in it, if I didn't mention. I mean, real kimchi. This is not fake kimchi in here. Look at this. It is real kimchi, folks. It is not to be trifled with. I mean, I guess you could trifle with it if that's your wheelhouse, trifling with kimchi. But I think I'm gonna be able to say at this point that I'm probably gonna have liked the pack version better than the steeped one. But let's find out. Three minutes, noodles are spongy. 4 or 5 minutes, they might be better. But 3 minutes, no. The kimchi, well, it's real kimchi. It's alright. The broth is very red. Nice bit of tanginess to it. I mean, this, if somebody blindfolded me and asked me what flavor this was, I'd say kimchi, so. That's not bad at all. So let's do her up, shall we? We're gonna use, you know what? I haven't used this in years. I always thought it kind of looked like an ashtray, but I've seen this design actually on packs of noodles from Japan. Kind of weird. There's some mung bean sprouts in there. Stir them up, let them get nice and red. And I don't know, you're probably gonna be like, but for me, nothing makes Korean instant noodles more savory and wonderful than a little cheese on top. But I'm stirring it in. Yep. I really like cheese in ramen. I think it's like, when I first was told about it, I was like, what? And then I tried it and I was all over it. And then you know what happened? People freaked out. They're like, what? No. And then people would be like, you're hijacking a different culture with an Americanized thing. And then I had to kindly permit them to understand that actually putting cheese in ramen is a Korean thing originally. So that's okay, you know. You might think, really? They eat processed cheese in Korea? It's like, yeah, they do. And they eat it often on ramen. So now you know, and knowing's half the battle. help you avoid looking silly. But sometimes that just can't be helped. Sometimes you're just gonna look silly. There we go. And we got some meat. So let's add some of this meaty meat. Yeah, might as well add it all, huh? There's the meaty meat. And some springy onion. How about some sesame seeds? Why not? Alright, Rotato. Hey. Have a good one. Bye.